The Directorate General of Private Healthcare Establishment of the Ministry of Health organized a function that gathered private healthcare institutions across the Sultanate to celebrate efforts made in the patient safety culture and improvement witnessed through healthcare workers' practices in general and specifically in hand hygiene.
Hand hygiene, by cleaning your hands, washing your hands after you touch your patient or touch a dirty environment, is to wash your hands. And then in the hospital or healthcare environment, you have other disinfectants like the alcohol rub and other various which are available here on showcase, which breaks the chain of transmission. And this is what we want to do. The reason I'm saying it's the cheapest because if the person gets infection, that infection will need antibiotics, special nursing care, etc., etc. And nowadays, with the spread of antibiotic-resistant germs, it is getting more and more expensive for those patients who are not healthy, which we call in medical terms immunocompromised. They become very ill. They need ICU, hospitalization, and that costs thousands and thousands of dollars or riyals.
The exerted efforts by these private healthcare institutions across the Sultanate is well realized through strategies implemented where staff strictly adhere to the practice of hand hygiene, which no doubt that it reduced associated infections and prevented antibiotic resistance within the healthcare settings.
I would like to thank Director General Private Establishment, Ministry of Health for supporting us and encouraging in all the areas and for making this Hand Hygiene Day a great event.
I congratulate Dr. Mazin and the DGPHE for taking this wonderful initiative because this is a real matter of concern. If we comply to strict hand hygiene, we can save lives. That is the motto of WHO also for the year 2019. And we give word that across our hospitals, we follow this policy. Our hospitals are JC accredited. So we do utmost care for the hand hygiene practices.
This was clearly demonstrated through presentations, posters, models, poems, and short video clips made by these institutions. At the end of the function, institutions were recognized on their best practices. Abdallah bin Ahmed Rubaiey, Sultanate of Oman Television, Muscat.